Hi Panther friends, this is Mr. Whitman, and today I'm here to show you how to use Screencastify to record your Chromebook screen and your voice, just like I'm doing right now. Very soon your teacher's going to give you an assignment where you're going to have to create a screencast and submit it in Google Classroom for credit. So here's what we're going to do. With your Chromebook turned on, you want to go up to the extension area. Right up here, all these buttons are called extensions, and if you hover over this pink red arrow, you'll see it says Screencastify Screen Video Recorder. That's what we're going to use for our assignment. So we click on that and you'll get this window. The first time you click on it, or when you hit record, you'll get a little window that will pop up and say Screencastify would like to use your microphone and your webcam. And you want to click allow. I would show that to you, but I've already done it, so I can't show it to you again. And you'll notice here that the microphone is turned on, and you'll see that I have a little green dial here showing how loud my voice is. If I want to adjust that, I can click on the microphone, and dragging it to the left makes my voice softer. Dragging it to the right makes my voice louder. I talk really, really loudly, so I'm going to keep the slider just a little bit below the normal level here. Okay, click on my icon again, and there you can see my voice being registered in the microphone. If you don't see anything there, you want to turn on your microphone with this button right here. Also, we could embed the webcam. What that means is it will record my video while I'm talking and put it right here in my window. I don't really need that today, so I'm going to turn it off. Now, these three buttons right here, webcam only, will record just my face while I'm talking and not the screen. Desktop will record everything that I do on my computer, all the tabs that I click through, any apps that I open, it will record everything I do. And browser tab will only record the browser tab that is open when I start recording. So if I have my solar system tab open when I start, and then I click on my Kahoot tab up here, or I open other tabs, or I do other things, it won't record that. It will only record this tab. In most cases, you are going to use desktop, which is the one that's selected when you open it. Your teacher will give you instructions if you're supposed to do something differently. So that's all there is to it to getting started. Now, to record, all we do is click the record button. And you can select your entire screen or application window. I'm going to keep it on your entire screen. I click share. I get a countdown. And now you'll notice I have a red dot up here on my Screencastify icon. That means I'm recording. So now I show the sun and Orion Spur and the Perseus arm, and oh, I want to go over and show you the game that I'm going to play later with my AP World History class at the high school. So I click on my Kahoot tab, I open another tab, I go back to my solar system tab, I explain everything I need to explain for my assignment, and when I'm done, I go up here and I click on Screencastify icon, and you'll notice you have three buttons here also, okay? This button is a redo button. Let's say you start talking, you forget what you're saying, you fumble over your words, you start giggling. That's not, the best example of your best work. So we're going to click redo, and it'll go back to the start and give you your 3, 2, 1 countdown, and you can start over. Or let's say somebody comes in and interrupts you while you're doing your screencast. You can click pause, and it will pause recording. Notice it stopped at 1:05, and they'll ask you a question, or you'll do whatever you need to, or maybe you need to sneeze, or you need to get a drink of water, and then when you're ready, you click play again. And then when you're completely finished with your screencast video, you'll click stop. And you'll see that it now brings up my window with my screencast in it, and if I click the play button, it will play what I recorded. I don't want to do that because I'm using a different screencast recorder, and that would cause all kinds of problems right now. One very important thing, you can click right up here and you can change the name. So I am going to call it Sample Solar System. Save, and now it changes the name. And if I click Share, notice it says Google Drive. It's automatically in your Google Drive in your Screencastify folder, which I'm going to show you where that is in the next video. So it saves automatically for us, friends. Isn't that nice? Okay, so that's how you use Screencastify. If you have any questions, ask your teacher, or if you see me in the hallway, feel free to ask me. Thanks for listening and have a great day.